description.
Well, hello there, everybody. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And what do we have today? We got something weird. It's almost Thanksgiving, as you know. Cup noodles. Turkey. Yep. Yeah. So let's do this. I'm really happy that they've come out with all these different limited edition stuff. I don't know, some cheeseburger flavor, pizza flavor. Come on. Where's your fill line? I would say a complaint of mine with these have been the very hard to find fill line. There you go. Right? It can be a real pain to find. Filter line. Yeah, fill line. Where are you? Dude, I can't even find the fill line. Okay, it's way down there. I've had this problem with these varieties before. Ooh. Okay. Filling it to the line. And then we run it for 4 minutes. And hope we don't have any form of explosion. Yeah. I don't like explosions in the microwave. That really ruins my day. Well, we got 4 minutes and 1 minute to let it chill out. Let's look at my record collection. Really? What? So, yesterday, my wife and I did the deed of going through the storage we have. Let's see if this light will help. What the hell was that? That was an odd sound I heard. Okay, let's just go like this. There we go. So I got my wife this recently. Brand new. This is a really excellent album. If you don't know anything about Jean-Luc Ponty, you should educate yourself. It's a violin player, plays electric violin and stuff. Really cool. Found this at the thrift store recently. They're kind of weird. It's Norwegian. Best Quincy Jones album ever. Highly recommend it. Let's see if we can get you in a better spot. So there's this new record store in town. Yeah, these are thrift store finds. Magnificent Mendez. Yeah, these are mostly from my old collection. My wife found this one at the new record store. It's crazy. Each side is like really long. I found this one there. Get it on. There's some cool stuff. I was surprised. Billy Cobham, George Duke live in Europe. This is like one of my favorite albums ever. The album actually wasn't in this, but I've always loved this album cover. I think I saved it because of that. I think this is library music. You were able to buy this and use it for your commercial needs. I don't know what that one is. Some Herbie. Can't go wrong with Herbie. More Herbie. Bill Chase, rad album. Comp. I don't even remember where the hell I got this, but it's vinyl on Brunswick. Brass construction, pretty standard. Used to be an easy find at the thrift store. Cheech and Chong. Superfly. More Herbie. Good album. Johnny Hammond on Kudu. It's got Higher Ground. Free Frantic and Funky. This one's really good because it's got this Herbie Mann doing Hold On I'm Coming on flute. It's awesome. Wow. Shaft in Africa. Okay, we got a minute. Four Tops doing Shaft in Africa. This is a Pete Townsend album with Mayor Baba. Who's Next? Isaac Hayes. Meaty Beaty Big and Bouncy. National Lampoon. Sabbath. Father Guido Sarducci. Herbie. Just the MGs. No Booker T. Some... There it is! It is in here! Oh, but the record's not in it? What the hell? This is my Japanese pressing of the soundtrack for Shaft's big score, but the record's not in it. Oh, that sucks ass. And just like this one, it doesn't have the record. I kind of took this from the Anacortes Public Library when I was younger. Wow, that really bums me out. Steve Martin, Weather Report, Stones, Herb Alpert, John Coltrane, Charles Bronson, or Herbie doing Charles Bronson. Indispensable. Okay, our stuff's ready. But now you've been through my vinyl collection. And there's something stuck to my foot. Or it was. But yeah, now you've seen my vinyl collection. How's that feel? It's gonna get added to, that's for certain. And now we have a cup of turkey dinner. I think if you were gonna have this paired with something else, they got pumpkin pie too. I'm guessing in the post I'll include a link to that one. But yeah, it used to be pumpkin spice flavor. Now it's pumpkin pie because they came out in tandem. It's exactly the same stuff. But if you really want to save on Thanksgiving this year, get each person one of these and a cup of the pumpkin pie one and a can of whipped cream. And then you're set. Nobody will be unhappy about that, let me tell you. Nobody. I only have $5 for Thanksgiving. Well, there you go. It won't even cost you that much. I've seen images of this turkey one on clearance at Walmart going for $0.25 per cup. My wife tried this one last night, and she liked it. So I don't know. But cheers. I don't know. It mentions in the ingredients that there's green beans and what do you call it? cranberry. Honestly, I'm getting a creamy chicken, saucy kind of amalgam there. Thanksgiving. There's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, folks. I'm just like looking for any semblance of bits. I'm really not getting a lot there. Oh wait, what's that? Come back. Oh, it disappeared. There it is. That looks like that could be a piece of cranberry. Come on. Well, if it was, it's kind of, after being nuked like that so violently, it's lost any semblance of flavor of cranberry. Scallion? I don't know, it's turkey dinner. I don't think sesame seed would make much sense. But yeah, it's not bad. Like I said, it tastes like chicken noodle thing, and I'm not like thinking, wow, this tastes like turkey dinner. I wonder what would happen if you made this and stuffed a turkey with it. Well, now I have to tell you what you're gonna see. I can't tell. I'm gonna tell you what the next review that I'm gonna do today is, but it's not what you're gonna see tomorrow. You'll see something else that was previously scheduled, but it'll be new. But the Thanksgiving one, I figured it's almost Thanksgiving for me. And a lot of the videos that I'm doing right now are coming out in, I think we're into May, yes, of 26. So, yeah. This one will be coming out tomorrow, which is November 18th? Wait, 19th? Something like that. So you'll see it soon. But this is Nongshim Buldak Ramen. And no, budai, like budai chigai, like army stew. And I'm gonna add something in that I was told about that I'm like really stoked on. This is fish skin, and I think it's gonna go really well in budai chigai and probably other things because it's like a snack food. So that'll be on an episode that has already come out, and going forward it'll just be like the standard rotation. But for now, we're going to try this on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, which will be not tomorrow. And yeah, if you look it up somehow and look up November 18th, that's what's coming out. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You must eat that these or do it. Master. can't be too starved because people come through here all day.
Yeah.